directly. He will be directly under the control of the Vice Chancellor. Aduna mana extraordinary authority hoigidobunate. Hariba senior administrative officer will work with the registrar under the advice and supervision of the Vice Chancellor. Adugi provision in Tamjabani for the smooth and streamlining the establishment matters of DMU. Hanabani, Honorable Speaker, sir. Mathandana Kwigi, Finance Officer Amasu, Quena cannot observe post Malabani, Adu government of the Huzik applicant of the Lakti, Aduna Kwigi, Manipur Finance Officers, cannot the JG scale, the Gay Lower Huzik, function Tauri, Hadanai, Tamzage. Aduna amendment see Nasagi suggest to Virapa, Honorable Member na suggest to Virapa Singdu, Adum Ayam by not Uzare, Aduga, Lunana, high river amendment sing say it can come in the next third amendment bill, not necessary today. Aduna Aina VC gi senior administrative officers ingi Aina Tamzabani. Adu cluster colleges kina akoigi high river 5 cluster colleges lere atei include to as per NAP adu miyagani that will depend on the amendments to come later, so that can be included. Aduna amana ngasai private schools kido ai adu sungta thamjage private schools si regulate to sem dakar leba as per NAP aduna high river private schools sing se cannot the primary to high school se oirameba aduna hojikti pre primary class
honorable amaduna bill amadam oiba natra
yare adu amadu yar DMU gi ono
sina dana manjuri oiba
ngasi dana manjuri di ai
nate hoji private school lei mathang da bill ama
thank you, Honorable Speaker.
However, sir, Pukachar is the amend Tausia and Pukachabni, sir. Adu Yaragadi music lighting eyes the Mathang Dadum Gasi assemblies who Quinadum Chathagidori. Sir, statement of object and as a private school Panjagri to the statement of objects and reasons, sir. Private school Giddy, sir, the Ampazanapan Biribo. Ampazanapan Biribo, sir. Busy reason Karigino, when a mentor is having Dhanamanjuri University is sir, Karim to Palamdre. It's when needed we will do it, having among the Parliament, sir. Aduna, I know Pukacha is reasons the person of Pipi Ramagadi, Angasi is Pukalam de Zuya, sir. And plus, in cluster college cases, sir, Untang check to Biraga. Masis Untang check to Biraga, quite the Hena Solo Katra Solo, Idra, any piggy rule, Makada, 5 constituent college, Katang Tobus, sir. Masi Karigino have, sir, Tadu. Senior administrative officers na VC ki makada lairaga koigi aina sumna Pukachab city Karim ta soglo oi mahaki autonomy da koigi universities ki koigi kano da Karim ta soglo oi sarkar na government na khud thing jamai kem ta lairoi haiba lairaga di sir koi Karim ta kano tawjadre sir aduga ngasai college ta hanai DM college lairamba oza sing se sir masig sigina kamaina tawgadawno aduga oza sing anauna khaliba mayam sing sigi mokhoi sida sigi Axida, Masida, Nauna Kanator, the Europe, the Moi provisions, sir, Moi service binding service provisions, Europe, sir. But see, Yaw, the car labor later, have them tongue. Honorable Minister, Tambina, thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, as I give statement of intensity, main, Akwegi 2017 gi, acts that Yauzer of Nasiki Putuisi amendment never. Just certain simple amendments. Aduna. Honorable Speaker, the Aina request of the Ningading Asiki bill say House of Tambiraga passed on about the Viva Duga. Honorable Member na suggest to Riva amendments in City Matangida dum consider Tonavagi. Honorable Speaker, I Tamzari. Thank you.
Bill C close by close passed on over Lokacherage. Close 2 to 3, close 2 to close 3 power Sipare and Lobiraga bill Siki parching on the low with the house in Yavidabra. House na yabi dabne close to 2 close 3 asi bill asigi parching oire close 1 asi pare hane lobby laga bill asigi part amone lobu the house na yabi dabra house na yabi dabne close 1 asi bill asigi part amore enacting formula asi pare hane lobby laga bill asigi part amone lobu the house na yabi dabra House na yabirani enacting formula asi bill asi part amo ore. Long title asi pare haina lobby raga bill asi part amo in low the house na yabirabra. House na yabirani long title asi bill asi part amo ore. Title the Dhanna Manjuri University Second Amendment Bill 2024 asi bill asi part amo in low the house na yabirabra. House na yabirabani title asi bill asi part amo ore. Now the Honorable Minister of Education will please move for passing the bill.
So, I beg to move that the Dhanamanjuri University Second Amendment Bill 2024 be passed.
High river bill asi passed out the House na yabirabra. House na yabirabani the Dhanamanjuri University Second Amendment Bill 2024 Bill number 13 of 2024 asi passed away. Agenda number 6.4. Honorable Minister of Education, the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Amendment Bill 2024, Bill number 14 of 2024, asi consideration Taunava House ki lib lobi gani.
So, I beg to move that the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Bill 2024, Bill number 14 of 2024 be taken into consideration.
Honorable Member Sri T.H. Logeswana consideration asida participate lobi gani haida haibirei.
Thank you, sir. Ziki. The Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act 2017 si Act amendment to se dum yaay ka sukaidre dum mai samak sai accept tawjarage aduda amaga tangai tare principal act ta aina khambadadi as per koigi section 2 gi m dai tare aduda NAP 2020 की मतुंग ना इतारे ना National Education Policy की मतुंग ना कोई की secondary education जे कदा वो कौगे जीता इंडिकेट ताऊ है वो ताऊ इसने कमाई तो class 9 to 12 है ना और मैं होगी ना हाँ नदी higher से class 10 plus 2 है ना मैं होगी ना NAP लाग पड़ेगी class 9 to 12 है बा अतः आइना पथक चल के को secondary education means education pertaining to class 9 and 10 है बा and includes process of study equivalent thereof है बा दो इतर दी secondary education है बसे सीधा माइक NAP दा हरीश नदी माजी class 9 to 12 है बना बा अदना सिगी मोटा include in course of study equivalent है भी मोटा सिगी class 9 to 12 से इन सब तो विधि करेगा कि हाइडी एक से लाल न चक्र गति माने नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में कहा तो कोई जब जी लोइन चलाए रहा बनी ना सिम थापी भाई आबरा मरम देशी की हरन पापी तुम थोड़ा नहीं आई हमको पाजर के सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन मीन्स एजुकेशन pertaining to class 9 and 10 and includes process of study equivalent thereof. Class 9 का 10 का कोर्स माना बदी आई लई ते हाई तारे ना 11 12 equivalent तो रगा सुकी डिप्लोमा तब खोपदी लई नहीं दुगा class 9 का 10 का माना बा equivalent दी लई बड़ा लई तब दी खांगे धोर उन्हें बम सेक्शन लोग पढ़ने अदना सिगी माना secondary education means हारा गनी class सी एंड है सिगी मथंग दा सही class 9 to 12 से तौरिंग इस दा तौरियों ने ना भागने ना खाले सिमतंग सिंगकनो इमेंट तो बिरो अमना सेक्शन 4 की सही दा प्रोवाइजर मतंग कोई की इंसर्ट तो वो या बिब्रा ये भी लगे धारे कनो से प्रोवाइजर से कनो ने आई जेको हौसले I patok jarke private school in section 2 of this act, but which is are given recognized by the Director of Education, Government of Manipur and Government of Manipur School section and affiliated to BOSIEM and COSIEM. Prior to the enactment of the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act 2017, said the following the relaxation of Paraga school which are recognized by the Director of Education S of Manipur and Government of Manipur. The school earlier than 11 September 2017 shall have the status and quo of their recognition. School which are recognized by Director of Education as Government of Manipur and Government of Manipur section school section before 11 September, but does not fulfill certain norms and standard and mentioned in subsection 2 of the section 4 will be given provisional and a temporary registration for a period of 5 years from the date of commencement of this act for the continuation of schools. Within such period, they should make fulfillment of the condition as laid down in subsection 2 of section 4 of granting certificate of registration. If after the 5 years school cannot fulfill the criteria given of the act, school should be de-recognized. Haiba. Haidi mana kamai to gibo hana koi eksi laktenga da registration phangaba school singse. Wadi class to like to loi tamuram nina. Moda chance ama katang karma chance sahi mangas da sahi khudingi to sahi mangas bibira ka kai ma masida harba koi anova salary ba ekse masida fulfill to ndrabo regadi mado de-recognize tawa. Haidana simtang insert to bibi yabra. Emen haidi haptin bi baitare ne aduga masagi aroibada ek to dharami se section 8 hari se masi kariguma harba following amda tawdaba tarbadi mado mase jail thamba di 1 lakh chu thiba haiba si mohota mayam no harina koigi kare tare ne moje penalty ma lupa lama thelaga karigumba magi criminal proceeding lokhal chalaga ai matungna kaiguma phangto dandi de phangba haidana sigi kanu se sidang chendo kanu emen to bibi abre schools aina hapning ba jaga se schools without registration
notice when the people not na participate to ge having na habi go habi daga
aina emen to
ni habi to notice when the people get
notice pi ga ba ado sum di koi mamang to su emen to daga
kana biro habi be aba khare observation pi
oh ai hojik emen to ya bra hangjabni ko ya de honorable minister concern lere ado ga ngasagi ai nasi abjigi point ani se sida in khamadadi ai di masi ai kana ne khalle ado ga abjigi principal ek se simadi kambal se chumthok to di lan se kipti ngai dong manden ado kten.
Honorable Speaker, sir, honorable member concerns into a note tawzare tasengudi khoi sigi bill se 3 main features never koi bill sigi ahan bana koi NEP 2020 matungina schooling se sahi ahum de horba pre primary degi instead of 6 years as primary degi natana pre primary de honabagi aduna main feature roiba. Second features ina tutorial home coaching se masi lauthokpa maram di moi se already Manipur coaching tutorial act 2017 cover to bunina haiba tutorial home coaching ki provisions ma lauthokpa ahum subana koi elementary education se basically pre primary dagina primary bhaw upper primary up to class 8 se masigi onthokpa ama adun sina main feature ne ate detail loiba honorable member na hairising to note torga mathangi ngasai notice pi khot torga koi amend to buda mong nathang dam yahon bi ane koi consider to jage aduga ngasi gi oina di bill se pass to nabagi honorable speaker the request to thank you.
ai loi ya jarge hojiki men gi sigi ama section 2 de yause si jong tang khogi class 9 to 12 haibase masi mathang da tor jara hoji sum haptan la jar kai no anda habiro haji section je lan simdi lal amina ka hadi sidi chungdok ka kasu ka de ong incha adi ama katan hapi se sang lu jam te 9 to 11 12 se ka hap ka dong ne ya bra ibe katan
Speaker sir, masida aran bamte yaude koi bill sida law department na vet toraga koi ki AG view law raga thamane aduna bill pass thon mai request to san.
sida hari se ain se padok ek se padok jare na secondary education means what haiba kanda ain haireba national education policy matunga secondary education haiba se class 9 digi 12 haina hide pireba ek hida
Honorable member na PPD ba observation si yenga kay to ba agi yin biro. Ay huji bill asi close by close
second honorable sir sai yai ka pass to si am confusion to gidana education policy na hari se sida haireba alleba adona si je shoina sum chapado house famani na
amutal nin
Education, national education policy ki kano na debate na te basidi honorable speaker sir. Akoi ki Manipur ki private schools ki bill lama pass to na puthok che bana ba. Adida karing ma lan aur masu amuk amend to se ba ngasi ki bill se pass to na to. Thank you.
close
education haiba se sigi meaning do haitara ga di sida yaudre sigi meaning la le haijabi wan da do ta di matang to si ka de soidi sore haijabni da je je
Hoji ayah bill asi close by close pass ta unna lo khacherage close to asi pare hena lobi laga bill asi ki par namo hoina lo the house ne abi rabra house ne abi rabra close to asi bill asi ki par namo hoine close one asi pare hena lobi laga bill asi ki par namo hoina lo the house ne abi rabra house ne abi rabra close one asi bill asi ki par namo hoine enacting formula asi pare hena lobi laga bill asi ki par namo hoina lo the house ne abi rabra House ne abi ramne enacting formula si bill si ki part amo ore long title si pare hen lobi laga bill si ki part amo ne lo the house ne abi ra house ne abi ramne long title si bill si ki part amo ore title the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Amendment Bill 2024 Bill number 14 of 2024 asi bill si ki part amo ne lo the house ne abi ra house ne abi ramne title si bill si ki part amo ore now the honorable minister education will please move for passing the bill.
Sir, I beg to move that the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Amendment Bill 2024 be passed.
Hi, bill asi passed over the house ne abidabra. House ne abidabra the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Amendment Bill 2024 Bill number 14 of 2024 asi passed away. Ngasi ki di makha tabai jenda leitrabani na house asi hayeng ki pung 13 bhawi thukcher.
Masida hairi se koi pika big by intent oiriba koi tha manga taruki saigi leiba angang sing sidi optional intent habidi asoi angam
Duration Kendra Impala Sanduchariba, the promising start of Manipur, then Kabiri Bamia Puna Taram Chari. Nasi episode as I couldn't put an actually Sagasi, I could Lemsening I or about Manipuri, not Tipizola Sibu. As I would talk the Pukana of that, so what of BDP, women and
And how did this government treat Andhra Pradesh and Bihar and Odisha before April? I'm particularly happy that she had an opportunity to read the Congress manifesto. Yes. I warned this government, you are taking inflation not so seriously. The last set of by-elections punished you. You will not agree. Forget the hunger index. 81 crore people. Your own action shows that people cannot afford food.
The Union Budget 2024-25 and the Budget of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir 2024-25 to be discussed together. I call upon former Finance Minister Sri P. Chidambaram to raise the discussion. Mr. Chidambaram.
Mr. Chairman, I want to thank the Honorable Finance Minister
One second. Please hear him patiently.
for
Please.
the employment-linked incentive scheme.
Okay, guys, take it away.
Downward dog sweaters.
Breaded sage.
Yoga mats for cats.
Steph, did we miss anything? Recap sent.